Okay, previous class we completed from the first concept, first sub-concept. What is that? Determine whether the given equation is a quadratic equation or not. Now the second concept is on determining whether the given values are solutions of a given quadratic equation or not. Solutions nothing but it is a root or not. Whether it is a root or not. When it becomes as a root, when it becomes as a solution, if we substituted the given value in the given quadratic equation, if you get LHS is equal to RHS, that means 0. If you get 0, then we can say that the given value is a solution for the given equation. So let's see. We are going to take examples. So first one, example. 3x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So we have to check whether x is equal to 1, the value of x is 1 which is given, it is the solution of this equation or not. When you will justify that it is a solution, if we substituted instead of x in this equation as 1, if you get 0, then we can say that it is a solution for the given equation. So let's see here. Solution. First, what is the given equation? Given equation is 3x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So from this equation, this is LHS and it is RHS. What is LHS? 3x square minus 2x minus 1, which is LHS. And this 0, it is RHS. So now we are going to take at x is equal to 1. We are taking LHS. What is that LHS? 3x square minus 2x minus 1. So now we have to substitute instead of x as how much? 1. So substitute here 3 into 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1. So how much we will get? 3 into 1 square means we will get 1 minus 2 ones are 2 minus 1. So 3 ones are 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 equal to 0, which is equal to RHS. So here we got LHS is equal to RHS. Am I right? So when we substituted x is equal to 1 in the given quadratic equation, we got LHS is equal to RHS. That means we got result as 0. So that is why x is equal to 1 is a root or solution of the given quadratic equation. Did you understand? So this is the process we have to do to find or to check whether the given value is the solution of a given quadratic equation or not. So now second example. Six x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now here x is equal to minus 1 by 2, comma x is equal to 2 by 2. So here the two roots, two values of x has given. So first we have to substitute instead of x as minus 1 by 2. If you get result as 0, then we can say that it is a root, it is a solution for the given quadratic equation. Did you understand? And later, after completion of that, we have to substitute again in the place of x as 2 by 3. At that time also if we get result as a 0, that means LHS is equal to RHS, then we can say that it is also another solution for the given quadratic equation. Already we discussed previously what a quadratic equation has at most how many solutions, how many roots, two solutions or two roots. Similarly as a quadratic polynomial. Did you understand? So now start solution for the problem. So what is the given equation? The given equation is 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now at x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we are going to take LHS. What is LHS? 6x square minus x minus 2. Now we are going to substitute in that. Instead of x as how much? First x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So 6 into minus 1 by 2 whole square minus of minus 1 by 2 minus 2. So do the calculation. 6 into minus 1 by 2 whole square. How much you will get? Minus 1 by 2 whole square. Already previously we discussed on it. If the power is even number, then we will get a positive value. If the power is the odd number, then we will get what? Negative value. So here it is 2 which is even number, so we will get again positive value. Minus 1 by 2 whole square becomes positive. What it becomes? 1 by 2 whole square means we know that 1 by 4. So here minus 1 by 2 whole square also we will get what? 1 by 4. Positive value since the power is even number. So now here minus of minus 1 by 2. How much you will get? Minus of minus becomes plus 1 by 2 minus 2. Now here we are able to do cancellation. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Then the remaining terms 3 1s are 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 2. Now here by doing LCM we will get 2 as the denominator. Am I right? So here 3 plus 1. Now here there is no denominator, that means 1. So when we do cancellation, this 2 by 1, how many times is possible? 2 times. 1 2s are 2. So 2 into this denominator 2. 2 2s are 4. Which 4? Minus 4. So what are remaining here? 3 plus 1, 4 minus 4 whole by 2. So 4 minus 4, 0 by 2. So 0 by 2 means 0. We knew that 0 by something equal to 0. So that it becomes RHS. What is RHS? 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. So by substituting x is equal to minus 1 by 2, we got result as 0. So what can you say about this value? It is a solution of a given quadratic equation. So similarly, now we are going to check at x is equal to 2 by 3 whether it is also the root, one of the root or not. Okay. Now at x is equal to 2 by 3 substitute here. So what is LHS? 6x square minus x minus 2. So 6 into x square, that means 2 by 3 whole square minus 2 by 3 minus 2. So 6 into 2 by 3 becomes 2 by 3 whole square, that means 4 by 9 minus 2 by 3 minus 2. Now do the cancellation. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So what are the remaining here? 2 4s are 8 by, the denominator is 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 2. Okay. Now here LCM for this is 3. So what are the remaining here? We will get numerators 8 minus here 2 minus here the denominator is 1. So by doing cancellation, 1 3s are 3. So 3 2s are 6 So 8 minus 2 minus 6, it becomes minus 8 by 3. So by doing subtraction, 8 minus 8, 0. So 0 by 3, that is equal to 0, which is equal to RHS. So here also we got LHS is equal to RHS. So that is why at x is equal to 2 by 3 also, we got result as how much? 0. That means 2 by 3 is also the solution for the given equation. So finally, what is the conclusion we have to write? Therefore, minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 are the solutions of given quadratic equation. So this is the solution for the given problem. Did you understand? Similarly, now we are going to do one or two examples from this concept. After completion of that, there are few problems in your textbook. Do as a homework. So what is next one? Third one. X square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0, which is a given quadratic equation. We have to check whether x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. So these two values are the solutions of given quadratic equation or not. That means nothing but roots of the given quadratic equation or not. So solution. What is the given quadratic equation? Is x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So from here, at x is equal to 1, what is LHS from here? LHS is x square minus x plus 1. Now we are going to substitute instead of x as 1. Then we will get 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So 1 square means 1 minus 1 plus 1. Here plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0 plus 1. That is equal to 0 plus 1, 1, which is not equal to RHS. Here RHS is 0, but it is not equal to RHS. So what can you say about it here? When we substituted x is equal to 1, we got result as 1. So that is why it is not a solution for the given equation. That means nothing but it is not a root of the given quadratic equation. Therefore, 1 is not a solution for the given quadratic equation. So now we are going to check another one. What is that? Now at x is equal to minus 1. So we have to substitute instead of x as minus 1. So what is LHS? X square minus x plus 1. Substitute instead of x as minus 1. So minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 whole square means how much we will get? Plus 1. Minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Totally 1 plus 1 plus 1, we will get 3, which is not equal to RHS. So what happened here also? The result we got 3. So that is why minus 1 is also not a solution for the given quadratic equation. What is the conclusion we have to write? Therefore, minus 1 is also not a solution. Not a solution for the given quadratic equation. Or what is that quadratic equation? You can write that one. Okay. So this is the solution for this problem, third one. Now we can do another example based on this concept, and this is the last problem, and after completion of that I will give you few problems as homework you can do based on this concept. Okay. So here the quadratic equation has given x square plus root 2x minus 4 is equal to 0, and we have to check whether x is equal to root 2 and x is equal to 2 root 2. So these two are the x is equal to minus 2 root 2. So these two are the roots of the given quadratic equation or not? Right now, solution. What is the given quadratic equation? Given quadratic equation is x square plus root 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. So first x is equal to root 2. Now we have to substitute by taking LHS. X square plus root 2x minus 4. Substitute here. X square, that means root 2 whole square plus root 2 into root 2 minus 4. So what it becomes here? Root 2 whole square, and we knew that square root get cancelled. Then the remaining term 2 plus here also root 2 into root 2 means root 2 whole square minus 4. Here what happens? Square root get cancelled. Then the remaining terms 2 plus 2 minus 4. So 2 plus 2 means 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 0, which is equal to RHS. So here we got LHS is equal to RHS. So we can say that given x value root 2 is a solution for the given quadratic equation. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we have to check whether at x is equal to minus 2 root 2 is it solution for the given quadratic equation or not. So by taking LHS, what is LHS has given? X square plus root 2x minus 4. So we have to substitute. Instead of x as how much? Minus 2 root 2. So minus 2 root 2 whole square plus root 2 into minus 2 root 2 minus 4. So here by doing squaring, how much you will get? Minus becomes plus, because here the power is even number. So that is why 2 square into root 2 square. Okay. Plus of minus, what it becomes? Minus. Plus of minus minus. 2 into root 2 into root 2 whole square minus 4. So here 2 square means 4. Square root get cancelled. Then the remaining term 2 minus, here also square root get cancelled. Then the remaining term 2 into 2 minus 4. So here 4 2s are 8 minus 2 2s are 4 minus 4. That is equal to 8 minus 4 minus 4. Totally minus 8. So 8 minus 8, 0, which is equal to RHS. What is RHS? 0. So here also we got LHS is equal to RHS. Am I right? So what happened here? Yeah, when we substituted instead of x as minus 2 root 2, we got result as 0. That means minus 2 root 2 is a solution for the given equation. So here what are the values of x as given? First one is root 2 and the one is minus 2 root 2. So what is the conclusion? Therefore root 2 and minus 2 root 2 are the solutions of given quadratic equation. Did you understand? So this is the problem based on given values are the solutions of a quadratic equation or not. Did you understand? So these are the problems based on this concept, and you can do few problems as homework from the textbook. I will inform you. Thank you.